number one sum is if x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, then x square plus 1 by x cube equal to what? The options are given A1, B2, C3 and D4. These options are given. We have to find the answer of this. See, for this sum, this one plus and this one also plus, but one difference is given here. Here is given x square, one is x square plus another one is x cube. If both two are same power, then we can easily find the value using the identities. But here one is x square, another one is x cube. So we can't use the identity here. If this value is 2, only for 2, if sum of two number is given 2, then only we can use this formula. That means sum of this number and this number, sum of two number is equal to 2. If sum of two number is equal to 2, then we can write x equal to 1, this one equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That means we can consider the value of x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, put the value here, 1 square plus 1 cube, this is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. The value of x square plus 1 by x cube is equal to 2. Only 2 we can use here because sum of two numbers is equal to 2. If this sum of two numbers is equal to 3, 4, 5, others values are given, we can't use this formula. If 2 is given, suppose like this value is given, we have to find x to the power 12 minus 1 by x to the power 12. We have to find this value. Using the same formula, x equal to 1, 1 to the power 12 is equal to 1, minus 1 to the power 1 by 12 also 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Using for any value for this equal to 2, we can find this one equal to 0. Now, this is the second question, where if x plus 1 by x equal to 3, then we have to find x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equal to what? Options are given 49, 47, 45, 42. These are options given. So for this, before explaining the shortcut method, I want to explain some identity or formulas which we got in class 8. A square plus b square plus 2ab and a minus b whole square is equal to 2ab. Using these two formula, I can solve this one, not shortcut takes this one. From these two formula, I can write a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. A square plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square plus twice ab. From this one, and from this one, we can write these two formulas. But here we have to find x and 1 upon x. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, we can write x plus 1 by x square minus 2. 2ab means x into x cancel, and another one x square plus 1 by x square equal to, we can write x minus 1 by x whole square, this one plus 2. Using these two formula, we can solve this one. Just I want to recall the formula. I want to introduce again this formula because if you know the formula, then you can easily use the shortcut tricks. See, if this value is given positive, first one positive and this one also positive, both are positive, then we have to use this formula, minus formula. And if first one is given, suppose this one negative, this one positive, second one is given positive, then we have to use plus formula. This one plus formula, and first one positive, second one also positive, we have to use minus formula. We have to use minus formula if both are plus. Here both are plus given, so we have to use this formula. To find this one, x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4, we don't have any formula for this one. To find this one, we have to find first x square plus 1 upon x square. X square plus 1 upon x square not given, x plus 1 by x given. So from this value, first find this one, x square plus x square. So if we consider this one as a means this is a, then formula as per formula a square minus 2. If we consider this one a square minus 2, a square minus 2, 9 minus 2, 9, that means this is 3 square equal to 9, this one 7. 7 means the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to, we got 7. Again we have to use the formula for this part. For this one, we can write again a square minus 2. Again, not a, don't consider a, we can consider b. B square minus 2. If we consider this one b, then again b square minus 2. Then again b square minus 2. B square minus 2, what is the value of b? Consider this one as b. B 7 square minus 2 is equal to 47. So easily we can use this formula. If I explain this one as if this one plus, then use minus formula and this square minus this square, you can do the sum easily. But if you know the basic also, then you can understand easily. So I explained these basics formulas with this shortcut formula. Now the third question is, if a plus 1 by a whole square equal to 3, then a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to what? Options are given: 10 root over 3 by 2, 0, 3 root 3, 6 root 3. These four options are given. Again I want to explain some identity for cube. This identity a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, and from this identity I can write a cube, this a plus b whole cube, this side, this one minus 3ab into a plus b. Using this one I can write 1 by a cube equal to a plus 1 by a whole cube minus 3 a into 1 by a cancel, only a plus 1 by a. I can use this identity here. If I use this identity, I need a plus 1 by a. A plus 1 by a. But here given a plus 1 by a whole square. A plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 3. But I need only a plus 1 by a. If this one is square, then if I remove the square from this side, then right side is the square root of 3. A plus 1 by a is equal to root over 3. From this I got this one. A plus 1 by a equal to root over 3. So now put the value in this identity. This one root 3 cube minus 3 root 3. Root 3 cube, that means 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. These two cancel, I can write this one 0. So the answer is 0. The correct answer is 0. I think everybody understands this sum. Now the question number 4 is, if x minus 1 by 16x equal to 1 by 4, then we have to find the value of 64x cube minus 1 by 64x cube. The options are given: 64, 52, 4 and 48. Okay, 4 and 8. Now here given x minus 1 by 16x, and here given 64x cube minus 1 by 64x cube. We have to find this one, value of this one. So value of this one means we can write this one cubic root of 64 is 4. We can write whole cube minus 1 by 64 4. This one whole cube. This one is the main thing. But here 4x 1 by 4x. But here given x minus 1 by 16x. These two are different things and this equal to given 1 by 4. What we have to find here 4x, so we have to make this one 4x and this one also 4x. To make this one 4x and this one 4x, we have to multiply this one 4x. If we multiply both left and right side, this one 4x minus if we multiply 4 with this, then we can write this one 4x. If we multiply this one, then 1. So we got the value 4x minus 1 by 4x equal to 1. Now put the value here for this one. Our formula is 4x minus 1 by 4x whole cube. This one, if this one, these two are minus, then we have to use here plus formula 4x minus 1 by 4x. This formula is equal to 1 cube plus 3 into 1 is equal to 4. The value is 4. The answer is 4. See, using the identity, no tricks. Using the identity, we can do the sum only 3 to 4 seconds. If we know the identity, that means the basic things of math. Without basic of maths, we can't use any tricks. We make the tricks using the basic things. So I think if you try using this basic, you can also easily find out the tricks to solve the maths. I hope everybody understand the sum. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, like the video and share with your friends.